The interior of a small apartment should always be planned with care so that you can fit everything you need in a limited space without it feeling cramped. The smaller the space you have, the more important it is to make sure you don't store anything extra there. So think about your own daily lifestyle and what kind of activities it includes. What do you really need around you in everyday life, and what would you get along well without? We want to help you. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a new uploaded video. The video is the 19th part of the popular video series Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, a comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. How to furnish and decorate a small apartment? This is the main question that owners and residents of a small apartment ask themselves. But if you carefully think about its arrangement and decor, the small living space will not be a nuisance. On contrary, with valuable inspiration, you can successfully turn your small apartment into a comfortable and elegant home interior. Therefore, we have selected here more than 40 great designer ideas for small apartments. More than that, unlike the previous 18 parts of this video series, all the apartment interiors presented in this video are in light color palettes such as beige, light, cream and taupe color. In other words, they look bright, airy and more spacious than they really are. So, small apartment. Big problem? Nothing more wrong than that. Even if your apartment is really small, it still has its advantages. A small living space is warmer and cozier. It facilitates communication, and do not forget, it is cheaper to furnish, decorate, and maintain. Anyway, a question still remains. Is it possible to furnish and decorate a small apartment to look functional and arrange according to the latest trends? Of course it is. A small living space size can be easily deceived. Do you have doubts? Just watch the video and check out these ingenious design ideas for small apartments. Before starting our presentation of several ideas from the video, let's see once again several tips and rules that you should follow when you are dealing with a small living space. Paint the walls in bright colors. They optically enlarge the space. Choose low-profile, lightweight, and multifunctional furniture. Plenty of light, especially natural light. Clear division of specific living areas. Good habits. Keep order in your stuff. Clean, neat and tidy interior always seems larger than it really is. I'm starting my presentation with this cute small one-bedroom apartment design. Here you can see the entranceway, the kitchen dining area and the tiny but stylish living room. Everything in white and cream color palette with several spots of gray and green color accents. A small potted plant, a vintage black and white photo, and a long curtain in black and white in combination with the light beige color palette is more than enough to create a beautiful bedroom decor. Another charming bedroom decor similar with previous one, simple but warm and inviting decor. How to arrange a small apartment so that it is as functional as possible and not overloaded at the same time. Check this idea, brand new small apartment with elegant living dining area. A small apartment decorated in a fashionable Scandinavian style is always a good idea. It opens up the space and illuminates the whole space, which is a really valuable thing in a small area. Another beautiful small apartment design, this time with the L-shaped open space. It is clearly a decor with a soul. In every living area you will find an indoor plant or a vase with flowers. Small city apartment with compact open space and large opening to the balcony. Stylish and beautiful decor in light color combinations. In small apartments, modern, simple design styles always look better. They are not so bulky, having less details and decorating accessories than traditional and classic ones. Anyway, Simplicity and functionality are the recent year trends, and this is especially valuable for small living spaces. In this image, you can see a beautiful small bedroom decor with the wall painted in a lovely taupe nuance. In fact, a multifunctional room, sleeping area, and a small home office. I will end my presentation with another beautiful small apartment in Scandinavian style design, charming traditional, industrial and rustic touch. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.